Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be disassembling a Compaq V3000, a very classic laptop built in around the 2009. Let's get started. First you want to remove the battery. You just slide this to the left, battery pops right off. Take off all the back panels. You got this one here, the wireless cord, the panel for the RAM. And you got this panel for the battery and the hard drive. And then take all these screws off in the back that you see. Let's get started. Okay, once you removed all the screws from the back, what you want to do is start removing the components. Wi-Fi, the RAM, the hard drive, the battery. This one just lifts up. Classic old school connector. Wow, this thing is classic. Stuck in there. Most likely this is garbage. As you can see, it just ripped off the connector. Connector's still stuck in there. Classic. Check that out. Okay. Now you can turn it over and start prying with your pry tool all around to remove this. And then once you pick this up a bit, you have access to the keyboard. That way you'll pry the keyboard out. Disconnect the connectors. Disconnect the sound connectors here. Over here, there's another connector. Disconnect that. Never pull from the cable or the wire, whatever you want to call it. But I can pull because I don't care if I rip it. Always pull from the connector. Okay, that's the keyboard. There's my stash over there for keyboards. All right, now what you want to do is unscrew all the screws here. You have one there. This one is not there. That one is not there. That one is not there. Take these out for the speakers to be removed. Let's get the screen out by taking off these screws here and there. Follow the line. Disconnect this here. This is so old. Look how it's just ripping apart. Wow. Check that out. Take that connector off over here. (2009) classic laptop Compaq. They don't make these no more. Take that out. Connectors all ruined. But this laptop is for scrap because I'm just taking parts out of it. It's not worth repairing it. Alright, now let's take off the screws. Once you took off the ribbon, you take out the screws here. The screen comes right off. That's the screen over there. Now, let's start prying. Get this drive out from here. Once you got the cover out and pulled out the drive, we're inside. Let's start taking out all the screws you see to disconnect the motherboard. And now once you turn it around, you can see that the fan is here. Let's get this fan disconnected. Remove these 4 screws there. The motherboard is out, as you can see. Once you unscrewed all the other screws from the other side, turn it around. The fan, you pull off the fan and the heat sink. This thing is huge. You can see that it has the CPU right underneath. And the way you remove the CPU is by turning this all the way clockwise, and the CPU pops right up. And as you can see, it's turned, and there it is, the beautiful gold on this CPU. Alright, that's the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.